as communicating with the legislator, we're talking primarily the General Assembly, the state legislature. It's a little different for Congress. Face-to-face is always, if you have a relationship, is usually the best way. If you have a relationship, a phone call is probably the next effective, as long as that privilege isn't abused. Letters are good, but once we get into the session, things move so quickly, getting a letter to them in time to have an impact may be problematic. So emails is a way that they receive a lot of their information. And certainly having an advocate for your association is another way of doing that. If they know your advocate and somebody that they trust to tell them the truth, and he knows they're speaking for you, then that legislator will put some weight in that advocate. But the personal touch is the best. It's important how we communicate with legislators. These people, once they move into office, are busy frequently. Have a lot of people trying to communicate with them. So it's important that we craft our message in such a way that it's easy to understand and that they know what your points are when you finish your conversation with them, whether it's written, oral, face-to-face, whatever. Usually it's best to stay to one topic. If you start talking 2 or 3 different issues, then they can become confused. If you don't do it succinctly and quickly, then their attention may turn away. But if you can talk about one topic and then have the major points that you want to convey to that lawmaker, that these are the main things we need to do. The background may be of interest to you, and if they want the background, they'll ask for it. But get those major points across in a way succinctly that they can retain and take with them. If you're face-to-face, if you've got some of it written down in a little fact sheet, that's wonderful because they can take that with them. If you're doing it in an email, same thing. You can bullet point these things on the phone, particularly on the phone. You need to keep it to the point.